Classic. Classic badass car right there, damn. Should I go? Yes, I should go. Coming. It's a Ford. Clean that back door is. Damn, that's a fine car. Don't hardly get no better than that. God damn. That's a car right there full. It's got the fins, didn't you notice? That's the first thing I think of when I think of fins. There's a Mustang, you don't see it. Oh. I don't know, that's something we'll go check out. I could lick that thing. Literally lick it. Oh. Watch out. Pontiac Firebird coming. Back when people wanted it.
Get that black car right there.
Oh, you like that one? I should break it up, huh? Now we can see the difference. Clean. Hate the rims though, they're fucking disgusting. 3-barrel. Man, I ain't even playing around. It's a 2-door too. Check out that bumper. Holy shit. That's a bumper right there. Damn. Oh shit. Hear that song? You're always picking these.
Huh?
Why you pick these two out of the holes?
I like it.
This is a crazy car, huh? I don't like the rims on it. I don't like when they do that. That one over there. This is technically has for those.
I bet you would drive.
Look at these two, eh? They're the same.
I like that one. That maroon right there.
It's my imagination. The Ghostbuster car. You hear it?
Oh, perfect.
It's crazy. It's going down the thing, huh? I was gonna park on, it's gonna say that little short ugly pit bull. Poor ugly little dog. Hey, there's a Accord station wagon. I wonder if it's shaved down. There's a Roadster right there, Matte Black. This is sick though.
That's what I just said.
Yeah, this one's sick. See, now this is a car right here you can pick over here. That's like so sick. It's just sick.
It was like this, but it's like bigger.
Go ahead. Look at this short little guy. I know, right? Doc Ken always wanted one of these.
This one?
Yeah. It's a truck, believe it or
I
not.
know.
I wouldn't mind one of these. Oh, little truck. Look at that chop right there, bro. That's chop both ways.
Were you recording or taking pictures?
Recording. They should have took pictures to take up less room.
Huh?
This is a 7-minute video already. Move, bitch. This car looks little. Doesn't look right. No, that's a chop top. I'd roll the rolls on that.
This thing's got racing.
Is that what I think it is? It's even for sale, this one. That looks nice. I like this big old gas tank thing. AMX. There's that clean ass car that was on earlier. Let's go check them over.
Let's get out of the way.
Flyers too. We're having a great showing. Of course, you got some flyers out there. We got the Ghostbusters.
Were you parked over between the middleman and the driver?
I was along.
Damn.
Where's my Ghostbusters? Wave your hand.
Let's look at this Accord so we can bounce. Come over here, left.
All right, we got the Ghostbusters. We got Renee. Go check out his toys. We got Bird.
The Euros, I guess.
Bird. Check out that little mini Stanley.
Oh, look at that. They got a Honda Fit.
Yeah, she gave me a card. It's Stanley on the road. Check her out. I think that's cool.
Not
You know that
shaved
they
or
have GoPro
anything just
movies
yet.
up here?